Hello children, you're welcome to mathematics class. Today we want to look at clock. And what are our lesson's objectives? By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify a clock, identify the hour, minute, and second hand of the clock, tell the time showing on the clock, that's 4 o'clock and half past, and state the importance of time. Okay, this is the face of a clock. Have you seen a clock before? Good, this is how a clock looks like. This is a clock. And this is the hour hand, this is the minute hand, and this is the second hand. Okay, now if you look at this clock, it's showing us what you need to know. You can see your minute hand, this red one. Your hour hand is usually shorter. And in this picture, it's been colored blue to make it easy for you to identify. And this is your second hand. This very long red is the second hand. All right, let's see how we can tell the time. Tell the time on the clock. We want to look at o'clock. When do I say it is o'clock? You say o'clock when your minute hand is on 12. Like what is showing here, this is 3 o'clock. That's because my hour hand is on 3 and my minute hand is on 12. So this is 3 o'clock. If I have my hour hand on 4 and this minute hand on 12, and I say that is 4 o'clock. If I have my hour hand on 6 and I have my minute hand on 12, I will say 6 o'clock. So take note that for o'clock, your minute hand will always be on 12, while your hour hand will move to any number. So whatever number your hour hand is resting on will be that number o'clock. So for this is 3 o'clock. Half past. Why are we calling this half past? You can see this is your clock, isn't it? A full circle. So half of this circle, you can see half of it has been shaded for you to know what half means. This is half of it. So when my minute hand is on 6, it simply means what? I have divided this clock into 2 halves. That's why you have half past. And also remember that the whole of this clock is what? 60 minutes. So once I have my minute hand 30 minutes after the particular number, that is half past. By the way, you should know that each of these numbers stands for 5 minutes each. So if I'm going to start from here, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 30 out of 6, that is half. So I call this half past. And then I'll look at where my hour hand is searching. My hour hand has passed 1, but it's not yet 2. So I'll call this half past 1. Half past 1. Or I can also call it 1:30. Half past 1 or 1:30. So before I can say half past, my minute hand has to be on 6. Once my minute hand is on 6, then it is half past. Do you understand that? This is half past 1. If this hour hand is here, then I'll say half past 2. This here, I'll say half past 3. For this one, it is past 1. Half past 1. So take note, once my minute hand is on 6, I call it half past. Okay, so let's look at the importance of time. Why do we need to know about time? Time helps us to know the different parts of the day. The reason why I can say, oh, this is morning, this is afternoon, this is evening, this is night, is because I know the time. I can look at the time and say, oh, 8 o'clock, so this is morning. I can look at the time and say, oh, this is 2 o'clock, this is afternoon. Do we understand that? So time also knows different parts of the day. And secondly, it helps us to plan our day. If I know the time, I will know what to do. That's why you can say, oh, in the morning I'll go to school, and then when I come back in the afternoon, I'll eat my lunch, and then in the evening I can play with my friends. That is because you know the time. That's why you can plan. If there was no time, I wouldn't know when to go to school. I would not know when to start home. I wouldn't know when to eat my food. So time helps us to plan our day. It can be used to describe activities. Like I said, if I'm going to school, I'm going to school in the morning. I'm eating my lunch in the afternoon. I use time to describe the activity. And so when it's 9 p.m., I want to sleep. How do I know that it's time to sleep? Because I know that 9 p.m. is night and then it's time to sleep. So time helps us to describe the activities that we do. We understand that. Okay, okay, then try this for me. I want you to tell me the time. You need to look at this and tell me what time is shown here. What time can you see here? You need to write your answer and then you compare with mine. Then also check this out. What time is this? What time is this? I want you to write it out. And if you've done it properly, it should be the same thing with mine. So don't get that you've done something wrong. You go back and do it again, and then come back to check if your answer is the same as mine. We've come to the end of the class. Have a nice day. Bye.